In this recipe, fenugreek or methi is used in 3 states: the seeds, fresh leaves, and dried leaves, and they are cooked together with mustard oil, turmeric, and chicken to make this golden and flavorful curry. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're making a delicious Murgh Methi, also known as chicken cooked in fenugreek. It's a really simple curry, but what I love about it is that we're going to be using fenugreek in its 3 states: seeds, fresh fenugreek, and dried fenugreek. This recipe is incredible. Before I go any further with it, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's take a closer look at the fenugreek. These are the seeds. They are pretty hard and I will be crushing them to a powder later. This is the fenugreek plant and I will be using the leaves in the curry. And finally, this is the dried fenugreek. It has a completely different flavor profile when it's dried, and it's also called Kasuri Methi. I have a whole chicken here. This is 3 pounds, that is 1.3 kilos, and I'm going to marinate it simply with some salt, pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek or Kasuri Methi. I'm crushing the leaves with my fingers as I add it in so it releases the aroma. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of sour cream and 1 cup of yogurt. I like the richness of sour cream in this recipe, but you can also just add 2 cups of yogurt. Mix this well together and leave it aside for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to pound 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. In my saute pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, as well as 2 tablespoons of regular oil. Mustard oil is a great combination with fenugreek, but I don't want it to be overpowering. Once the oil is hot, I'm also going to add half a cup of diced onion, and I'm going to allow this to cook. Next, I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons each of chopped ginger and garlic. I'm going to saute this to cook off the raw ginger and garlic taste. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of minced green chilli. I'm going to quickly saute this as well. Now for the fresh fenugreek. I have 2 cups of fenugreek leaves here and I'm just going to add this in. Saute this and you will see it wilt as it cooks. Now for the powdered spices. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds that I crushed earlier. Mix this in well together. I'm also going to add a bit more regular oil and I'm going to add the marinated pieces of chicken. Give this a stir to fold it in, and you can see the turmeric in action as it turns the marinade into a golden hue. Now I'm just going to scrape in the rest of the marinade as we want to use every bit of this. Cover this and cook it for 30 minutes. I'm going to check on this in between as we don't want the gravy to dry up and burn. Add salt to taste. If your gravy is getting too thick, you can add a little bit of water as it cooks. After 30 minutes, your chicken is perfectly cooked and this is ready to enjoy with some roti or paratha. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Murgh Methi. It's a simple recipe, but such a unique one. If you love the video, do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure to share the video with your family and friends. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.